Are you happy in the mornings? Yeah. Who's that? Is it brother? It is. But there's a boo-boo. Well, come here, Bubba. Come say good morning to us. Hi. Good morning. Oh.
Yeah.
That was Mommy's cereal.
Mama.
You want some? Do I get a hug first?
Go up the mattress.
You can climb up the mattress?